Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Pixellab Graphics. In this particular tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can install just these two PLP files. Okay, first thing, you just come here first, my properties. So this is the first PLP file I'll be sharing with you. You can edit it to your taste. Okay, so the resources are all here. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, let me just check them, see the resources are here. So this is the PLP file. PLP file is for the Pixellab file. It's just like PSD in Photoshop. Now you can only edit. Other designers will send you the PSD file. You can just edit it to your taste. Remove their own original image and add your own to it. So you can just edit the design to your own choice on your device. So the next one I'll be sending to you is this guy. So this is the design, and we have this tutorial, complete tutorial on my channel. You will see the way I created this background. I'm telling you, it's something you really want to watch. You must watch because you will really gain from it, because the background is, I combined close to 6 elements to get this background. So yeah, please just do well. You go to my channel, you see there. I think there is one I did with Photoshop Touch, and also another one I did with Pixellab. Just try your best to watch it. You really enjoy it. So you can see I have 3 men of God here. So but however, you can also come and even save those men of God as a PNG. Just hide everything, including the background. Hide it and just turn it to transparent. Okay, once you just change it to transparent, then you can hide the remaining one. Okay, so you can just hide the remaining one. And you can just come here and save the resources, and just click on this. Now it is you hid the background. You can just come here and save image. See, it will save without as a PNG. Okay, let me just save this one for you. So these are one way you can just get resources from most of this PLP file. Now look at this, has been added to my collection. So it's now, you can see now you can just do things like this to get resources instead of how can I get these resources. Alright, so okay, I'll also be sharing with you, not this one, I'll share with you this one in another video. This one is not going to come up with this picture. This is the one I'm going to use. However, I'll show you this one in another video. Alright, so that's all for this particular tutorial. We'll see you in the next video. Now, if you want to extract this PLP file, how you can extract it, I have a video in the description of this video. Please do well to check it. It's in this video description. Okay, so after you've downloaded the PLP file, I'm yet to share it, but after you've downloaded the PLP file, once you've extracted it, just come to this guy here. That video will show you how you can do it. I don't want this video to be too long. You can extract it, you can input the password because it has password. Alright, so